रास ये नहीं है केवल नृत्य गीत आदि आलिंगन से रास कहने से अनेकों प्रकार की लीलाओं की समावेश ही रास कहा जाता है। क्या बोला? अनेकों प्रकार लीलाओं की समावेश एकत्रित, जैसे मधुपान यदि रासले के अंतर्गत नौका विलास, जल विहार, यमुना विहार और पुष्पचूरी,
झूला लीला मारे
है, झूलन लीला, झूलन लीला आदि चल रही है। इस रात लगे सही पुष्पचूरी करते हैं ना, वो भी एक सुंदर लीला है। पुष्पचूरी की लीला करते हैं ना, देखिए जब चलती है तो कृष्ण जो है उस बगीचा के जो है माली के रूप में अनेक लीलाएं हैं। कितने लीलाएं हैं, एक ही लीला थोड़ी है। तो सखियां जो है ये पुष्प जब ये करते हैं त्याग आदि करते हैं, कृष्ण पहुंच जाते हैं।
Hare Krishna, can you hear me? Hari Bol, Shri Radhe, Shri Gurudev ki Jai. So we were hearing about the text numbers 22 of Bhajan Rahasya.
वृंदावन वृंदा देवी इसी के मानी है। वृंदावन शास्त्र में कहा गया वृंदा के नाम से ही वृंदा देवी नाम वृंदावन नाम पड़ा है। वृंदावन करती है वृंदावन के समय, ये वृंदा देवी के नाम से जो है वृंदावन।
So this Vrindavan name becomes Vrindavan just because due to Vrinda Devi. And if somebody says reception,
भंडारा करते हैं ना, उसमें जो रिसेप्शन में लोग आते हैं किराना ऐसे थोड़ी शादी के अल्लाह में करके बस अपने घर में दोनों बैठ गई, माला बदल कर दिया, हो गया क्या मंदिर में जाकर के सामने बात हो गया बस।
So what is marriage? What is marriage? Marriage here is talking about some marriage kinds of things. So gopis are teasing to Krishna that they are saying that you never got married with Vrinda Devi. So how you can say that Vrinda Devi is your wife? So and they call all Vrinda Devi. Then they asked to Vrinda Devi that, hey Vrinde, have you got married with this Kale Kaluta, this Krishna? So she said, no, I don't know this man. Who is he? So in this way Vrinda Devi is saying like this, that I don't know this black person. He is black, so that's why he is blackmailing everybody's. Okay, so I don't know this man. And who can got married with this man? And he is Dhurd. So he sees any lady, so he thinks that she is my wife. He says like this. So whomever he sees, he says that she is my wife. So this is kinds of person he is. So who will get married with this person? So after getting marriage, so Vrinda Devi in this way she is saying that I don't know this person, he is Lampat, he is Chor, he is Dhurt. So in this way Sakhis are teasing to Krishna, and they are saying to Krishna that listen, whatever Vrinda is saying, and you said that Vrinda is my wife, but she said that I never got married with this person. And you never give bhandara to anybody after your marriage. So who is your wife? She is not your wife.
बोले क्या शास्त्र है? बोले गोपाल वन। गोपाल वन है कि नहीं है? गोपाल वन कहा जाता है, शास्त्र में लिखा है गोपाल वन।
In this scriptures man Gopal one. Krishna is saying, have you heard the scriptures or not? Because in the scriptures it is said that Gopal one. Gopal, what is Gopal? My name is Gopal and one is and this Vrindavan. So this Vrindavan is mine. I am Gopal and this Vrindavan is mine. So
ये वृंदावन की जो है अधीश्वरी कौन है? अरे वृंदावन
so who is the Adishwari or Vrindavaneshwari Srimati Radhika Rani?
ये वृंदावन की अधीश्वरी कौन है? राधा रानी।
So Vrindavan Adishwari, the queen of Vrindavan is Srimati Radhika Rani.
हम लोग प्रणाम मंत्र में वही कृष्ण करुणा
We always used to do pranam. तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानु सुतई देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिय. So we used to do this kinds of pranam mantra. So Vrindavaneshwari, she Srimati Radhika Rani, and you are the servant, and you are seeing yourself that you are the master, you are the owner of this Vrindavan. Lo, Srimati Radhika Rani is Malik, and you are the Mali. You are the gardener of this Vrindavan and Malik and the master or owner of this Vrindavan. She is Vrindavaneshwari, Srimati Radhika Rani. So how you can say that you are the owner of this Vrindavan?
माली श्रेष्ठ है।
So who are greater, Mali or Malik,
तो अपने को दे दिया
gardener or the owner?
जाके
So you introduce yourself that I am the master of this, I am the master or owner of this Vrindavan,
बनो माली है। अजय बन के तुम माली हो।
and you are the gardener of this Vrindavan. You are not owner. How beautiful examples are given by the gopis.
पहले दिखा दिया ये बच्चे के मैं माली मैं रखवाल
Krishna himself said once that I am the gardener of this Vrindavans.
मालिक श्रेष्ठ है।
So who is greater,
तो ये सबसे मैं कहूँ
Mali or Malik? Means the gardener or the owner? So Krishna said that, yeah, this is true. Whatever the gopis are saying, this is true.
तो दारपाल को तो रखा गया, दारपाल को हटा दिया जाता है। मालिक कभी भी दारपाल को
So the owner, they whenever they want, they can suspend. They can suspend the gardener anyhow, any time, whenever they want. So in this way, gopis are giving teasings to the Krishna.
ये भाई कुछ भी कहो
So Krishna said, whatever you say.
बगीचा में तो मैं सारे फूल लगाया।
So I have planted all the flowers of this Vrindavan. I was herding the cows in this Vrindavan.
पुष्प फूल आदि पुष्प और इसको
So in this Vrindavan, everything is manifested by me.
है उजाड़ दे दो। ये कहाँ से माली बनी है? उजाड़ दे दो तुम है।
And gopis are saying,
तो गाय या तो गाय
so you never manifested anything here. You have destroyed everything in Vrindavan.
बना जाता है। और तुम भी मूर्ख हो।
And you are also foolish person.
करते करते
Because you are herding the cows, that's why you are so much foolish person.
गाय चराने वाले आवाज है। तुम तो चरवाट हो। तो गाय को चराते हो ये वृंदावन के कहाँ संरक्षित हो? है देखो सब कैसे उजाड़ होंगे।
So you never manifested or never planted anything Vrindavans, and you have destroyed all the things of Vrindavan.
बोले कहीं अभी तो फूल चोरी किया ही नहीं, अभी तो फूल कहाँ उठाया?
And Krishna said that whatever you say, you always steal the flowers of my gardens.
स्थल में सब फूल को जो है चुरा करके रख दो।
So Gopi said that how you can say that we have stolen your flowers. So Krishna said, there you have stolen my flower and you have put all the flowers in your breast.
है इसी प्रकार कहते हैं पुष्प चोरी लीला भी।
So this kinds, there is a part of Ras Leela. This is called the Pushpa Chori Leela. So there are many kinds of stories in Vrindavan.
पुष्प चोरी लीला भी बताया
किस ग्रंथ में?
है।
किस ग्रंथ में?
रूप गोस्वामी बात के ग्रंथ में
So in the Granths of Rupa Goswami Pad, you have seen all these kinds of stories. There are many kinds of Leelas are there. So if we speak about the Krishna Leela, so there is no end of these Leelas. So in this way, this Pushpachori Leela is a part of Ras Leela. So Ras Leela are many kinds of Ras Leelas there. Dani?
दानी दानी शब्द की
Donor.
कलेक्टेड करते हैं, टैक्स कलेक्शन करते हैं ना।
दान दो नहीं बोलते।
दान है, डोनार नहीं है। या दानी शब्द की अर्थ होता है टैक्स कलेक्ट करते हैं। अभी टैक्स कलेक्ट करते हैं, जब हम लोग दान घाटी पर जाते हैं ना,
So whenever we go to Dan Ghati,
और दानी रूप में खड़े
so Krishna is standing there in the form of Dani. Dani means here the tax collector. So the person who collects the tax.
वाला नहीं,
So here Dani doesn't mean that who is giving the donation.
मैं क्या होते हैं टैक्स कलेक्ट।
So who is collecting the what tax? He is called Dani here. So there are many kinds of leelas are there also,
दान घाटी की लीला,
which is called the Dan Ghati Leela. So where Dan Ghati Leela, it means the Krishna was asking for tax from the gopis.
और फिर इसके बाद रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी और एक ग्रंथ लिखा जिसकी कथा है,
And Raghunath Das Goswami also retained one granth which is called
क्या ग्रंथ का नाम है रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी। इनके है दान के लिए कौमुदी और
Dan Keli Kaumudi और
दास गोस्वामी के है बहुत सुंदर है। ठीक है, चलो वहीं पर है सब
Raghunath Das Goswami retained the granth Dan Keli Kaumudi or anyone else, you know?
आगे चलने से 100 मीटर 200 मीटर चलने पर एक कुंड आता है जिसका दान
So
निवर्तन
there is a kund or after
है।
huh? Which one?
बीच में मान लिया अनुर
No, the granth.
अनुर उधर है किसी का है दान निवर्तन
Dan Nivartam Kundastak there also, which is before the Sankarshan Kund is there. We used to go in Vrajmandal Parikrama there also.
अनेकों प्रकार लीलाएं
So there are many kinds of leelas are there.
विरह में मिलन और मिलन में
So in the Vira there is meeting, and the meeting there is a Vira.
विप्रलंब इसलिए यहाँ पर दिखा रहे हैं
That's why here it is showing.
प्रेम में जो कथा जो है विप्रलंब में उसको लीला आदि स्मरण ज्यादा होता है। मिलन में तो जो हो गया वो, और विरह में वो समस्त मिलन लीला की अधिक रूप में स्मरण होता है। इसलिए कहा जाता है विरह शब्द की अर्थ इसलिए कहा जाता है वी माने विशेष र माने
Vira. What is the meaning of Vira? Vira means V means special, Raha means V means Vishesh, Raha mane Milan. So Vishesh Rupin Milan means a special meeting. This is called the Viraha. So according to the Gaudiya Vaishnava philosophy, what is the meaning of Vira? Vira means Vishesh Rag. So Raghunath Das Goswami in the Vilas Kushmanjali he is describing Vairagya Yukta Bhakti Ras. So the means which is the Vishesh Rag Yukta Bhakti. This is called Anuvish मतलब
अनिच्छा रखता हूँ, इच्छा रखता हूँ। मैं सुनने के अधिकार नहीं रखता हूँ।
so I doesn't have the adhikar to hear all this katha, but still Sanatan Goswami Pad and Rup Goswami Pad, by the mercy, so forcefully they have told me. So I was forced to hear. So Raghunath Das Goswami is saying in this way, I was not the adhikari, I was not the capable person for hearing all these things, but still, by the mercy of Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami Pad, so I was forced to hear all these things. Just like a mother, she used to make the drink water to the child. In the same way, just like the son doesn't want to eat the food or he doesn't want to drink the water, but he was forced to eating or drinking. So in the same way, Raghunath Das Goswami doesn't wanted to hear these all things, but Rup Goswami and Sanatan Goswami, he was forcefully do this.
मैं नहीं करती, दूसरे के द्वारा करा। स्वयं जो भाग क्रिया नहीं करती, दूसरे के द्वारा जो क्रिया आदि होती है, उसी का समझ लो। जो संस्कृत थोड़ा जानते हैं उसको पता लगता है।
The person who knows little bit Sanskrit, they knows about this देखना and दिखाना.
इंग्लिश में क्या होता है?
See, to see,
दिखाना क्या होता है?
to show.
Mother showed the moon.
So mother showed the moon to her son.
अपने बेटा जो है चंद्रमा दिखाती है।
So mother showed the moon to her son. So it means, what is this? Sun sees the moon. Sun sees the moon.
यहाँ पर श्री शब्द हो गया और वहाँ पर क्या हो गया?
Show.
दो शब्द हैं? माँ दिखाती है।
So mother is
उसी प्रकार
showing the moon to son, and son is seeing the moon. So what is the meaning of apayan? Apayan means
जो मैं पान करना नहीं चाहता,
the things I doesn't want to see.
सनातन गोस्वामी पाद, रूप गोस्वामी पाद मुझे ऐसे
So here what is Raghunath Das Goswami saying, that I don't wanted to hear all these things, the Vairagya Yuga Bhakti, but Sanatan Goswami Pad and Rup Goswami Pad forcefully,
उन्होंने मुझे पान करा दिया।
they made me heard.
अभी जैसे कह रहे प्रयत्न नहीं, प्रयत्न में अत्यंत ममता युक्त के साथ जो सेवा प्रयत्न ही करे, और मैंने प्रयत्न में आदर करके जो सेवा प्रयत्न वही राधा जी भक्ति जैसे भक्ति प्रयत्न अपायमान अनभिष्ट और अनभिष्ट भी कर मेरा इच्छा नहीं था उनके देना है, और अंधम मेरे कोई ज्ञान नहीं।
So I really didn't want to hear all these things, and I was not aware about all these things, but still Raghunath Das Goswami praying or saying very humbly that I don't have a little knowledge about bhakti, but still forcefully Raghunath Das, Rup Goswami and Sanatan Goswami, they made me heard. So in this way, in the earlier shlok we have heard already. What was that? Nabbachumba kavyam. So this is the text number 21 of Shri Swasankalpa Praksha Stotra. So we have heard this shloka yesterday, that when in the secluded place will I receive such fortune that Srimati Radhika will, upon the request of Srimati Lalita Devi, affectionately and happily, yet shyly teach me dramas composed by herself, new poems, riddles with deep meanings and melodies on the veena. किसका? riddles पहली होगा riddles, RIDDLES riddles puzzles or riddles, whatever you So earlier, if you say riddles to anybody or puzzles to anybody, so whenever they are hearing, they will will be shocked. And but after that, what happens? When you express the meaning of that riddle, so then they will come to know what is the actually So just like there is a cloth, inside the cloth there is hair, and inside the hair what is that? There is a skin. So yesterday we have discussed about all these things, that the inside the cloth there is hair, and inside the hair what is skin.
तो यहाँ पर सखियों भी यहाँ पर काल भी कहते हैं, जैसे कहते हैं बहुत सुंदर, ये बद्ध होकर के भी बाल होकर भी वृद्ध है, बाल बनी
Chota.
चाहिए.
So yesterday we have discussed about the Bal Hokarvi Vradya, means who is so young and still he is so older,
बद्ध होकर के भी मोक्ष
and who is Baddha still he is he is liberated, or he is impious still he is so much pure. So what are these all things? So these are the curly hair of Srimati Radhika Rani. Yesterday we have heard this story. Yes. Yes, yesterday we have discussed about all these things already.
प्रकार के जो है,
So in this way there are many kinds of leelas.
तो फिर दूसरी इसी श्लोक में अभी हम लोग जिस श्लोक में जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि कुहाकंठी कंठादेवी कमलकंठी वही पुनः विशाखा विशाखी के साथ कैसे कैसे श्रवण करेंगे, कौन सा शिक्षा प्राप्त करेंगे.
So what are the lessons given by the Vishakha?
प्रदान करेगी. विशाखा पदे संगीत सीखी लदासी करी ललिता सुंदरी हमारे राधिका पदे काले मिलाई रे अगं से बासमर पिरे अगं से बासमर पिरे अगं से बासमर पिरे हमारे लोहिया कवे श्री शाखा पदे संगीत सीखी कृष्ण लीला रसमय शिरति मंजरी शिरस मंजरी कितना सुंदर.
So how beautiful this.
के कीर्तन पर
So how beautiful the kirtans. If you do the kirtan of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, so your heart will be melted. So in this way, they got the trainings. They have heard so many things from the Radharani. And after hearing all these things, so in the Ras Leela, so they will express their kala, their arts there. In the Brahma Purana, there is beautifully described that what to say, nothing, no words. So all the Sakhis, Manjaris and all the Sakhis, according to their kala, according to their arts, they are presenting themselves. Just like we have seen in this mic word, and many peoples are presenting their colors, like someone putting so much pictures on their hands, so many pictures on their hands. Some are putting so many earthen lamps on their hands, and some are keeping so many swords on their hands. So everybody is presenting their arts according to the requirements and the situations. Maybe you have seen some peoples that they have put so many pictures on their heads and they are walking. So they are showing their arts. Many Dev Devis, they got the beautiful form of the human beings and they are presenting these kinds of Leela. So when these all Manjaris and Sakhis are presenting their Leelas, so all the Dev, demigods and demigoddess, they presented themselves theirs.
यहाँ पर रहकर दर्शन करने के तात्पर्य होता है कि वो समस्त जहाँ पर निगुण जो लीला है, हाँ समझिए निगुण लीला क्या है? जैसे निकुंज वन में
What are the Nikud Leela? Let's say like in the Nikunj one,
लीला
where Radha and Krishna doing so much intimate leelas.
वो समस्त जो है
So these all are Nikunj leelas.
वो जो है देव देव के दूसरे की
So Dev,
मैं उनको क्या कर
demigods and demigoddess cannot take the darshan of these kinds of leelas. Those leelas which are very intimate.
गया कृष्ण वेणु वादन करने के समय
So when Krishna was playing the flute at the time,
देव देवियां जो है
all the Dev Devis
अपने विमान पर
with their chariots and they're sitting on their chariots,
वृंदावन में समाहन में आ जाते हैं,
they comes to Vrindavan.
वृंदावन में आ जाते हैं और वृंदावन में तो आ ही जाते हैं।
And after sitting on their chariots, what they used to do?
वो समस्त लीला धर्म कौन सा लीला
कला जो प्रस्तुत होती है, जो कला प्रस्तुत होती है,
जो अत्यंत जो निगूढ़ लीला आदि है, राधा कृष्ण के अत्यंत निर्मित निकुंज कुंज में जो लीला है, जैसे रूप गोस्वामी पाद लिखा निवृत्त निकुंज कुंज एक श्लोक है उसको भी लिखा है, वो समस्त लीला आदि इंद्र के दर्शन में।
so they can show so demigods and demigoddesses, they can watch all those leelas which are external, like laughing, joking, some are presenting their arts, but they cannot take the darshan of the Nivrit Nikunj Leela. It means they cannot take the darshan of the so much intimate leelas of Radha and Krishna.
सब लीला नहीं,
So generally people think that they can take the darshan of all kinds of leela. No, it is not true. They cannot take the darshan of all kinds of leelas.
भाग्य की बात है, चंद्रमा की सौभाग्य की बात है।
But the moon is so much fortunate
जो है कुछ लीलाओं के दर्शन करने के लिए सौभाग्य होता है।
because Chandra have this kinds of fortune that he can take the darshan of some leelas.
किंतु वास्तव देखा जाए वो चंद्रमा जो है वास्तव वही
Yes, and if we think really,
जो है वो चंद्रमा वो
so whatever the moon we are seeing here, this is a different moon, and in the Krishna's Golok,
क्या बोल रहा
moon is a different moon.
है, इस ब्रह्मांड में ये चंद्रमा जो
So whatever the moon we are seeing in this Brahman, this is a different moon. But in the Golok Vrindavan, that is a different moon.
चंद्रमा के रूप धारण करके बाद जुगमयान के द्वारा वो चंद्रमा
देव देविया जो देवताएं हैं वो भी ये नहीं होगा,
वो निंदन नहीं करते
दूसरा होगा,
हैं,
दूसरी देवताओं
कौन सा वो अपराध तो जगत में वहीं पर सब है, सब देव देविया कृष्ण ही एक एक प्रकाश मूर्ति के रूप में जाते हैं।
Yes, जैसे सूर्य वो हुए थे,
ये पोजीशन में क्या नवजत्र सूर्य नवजत्र भास्ति जहाँ पर सूर्य की जरूरत नहीं है,
where there is no need of the sun.
नौ शशांक पावका, शशांक माने चंद्रमा,
Shashank means Chandrama, the moon, and Pavaka means fire, Agni.
अग्नि आदि देवता के लिए, अग्नि आदि देवता के लिए भी वही
So Agni, all in that transcendental world, in that Krishna's lok, everything is Krishna there.
लीला में गुरु वृंदावन,
So in the Golok Vrindavan,
नित्य गुरु वृंदावन में वहीं पर सूर्य है,
sun is also there, moon is also there, fire is also there. All the Devi demigods and demigoddesses are there. But they are not these demigods and demigoddesses, they are the different one. They all are the manifestation of Krishna. So people got confused.
ये तत्व भी क्या है, नजत्र भास्ति सूर्य है,
Na Shashankuna Pavaka.
तो वहीं पर तो सूर्य जो है वो
So whatever the sun is there,
सूर्य के रूप में प्रकाश करता
Krishna is directly manifested himself into the sun. Krishna himself manifested there in the form of moon. Krishna manifested directly himself in the many kinds of demigods and demigoddesses.
है, इसके लिए कहा, किंतु अपरिंद जगत में भी तो लीला है, थोड़ा सिद्धांत विमर्श।
So if we are talking about the little bit Siddhants, people are worshipping sun in this loka.
हमारी पूछने की बात है,
even Brahma cannot enter in that transcendental lok. So how this sun or that this moon can enter in that lok? So that's why in the Bhaum Jagat, in this Brahmand, whatever the
चित जगत में नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन में सूर्य जो है इस गुरु से संपूर्ण रूप से पृथक।
so in that transcendental world, that moon, that sun, and all the demigods are different from that lok.
न चंद्रमा है न शशांक न पावक तो भयंकर भी दिखाई देता है।
Here it is also showed Krishna and Radha doing so many leelas there. So these all kinds of leelas are
पूर्णिमा तिथि जो है इस जगत में जो भौम जगत में जो लीला है ये तो चंद्रमा चलो इसके तरफ चंद्र की किरण
I'm so much tired today, very tired.
और उस जगत की चंद्रमा नहीं है। पहले तो कहती है उस चंद्रमा नहीं है, ये चंद्रमा नहीं जा सकती।
So this moon cannot go in that transcendental world.
वो चंद्रमा कौन है?
Krishna's manifestation directly. Krishna.
कृष्ण स्वयं।
So that moon cannot go there. So this means where there is a moon also. So which is that moon? That is directly Krishna. Krishna is directly there. So Krishna manifested himself in the directly form of moon. Eko ham bhavishyami. So I am one, but I have manifested myself in so many forms. So in this way, for doing so many pastime, Krishna himself manifested in so many forms. Like the moon is also Krishna, sun is also Krishna, demigods and demigod is also Krishna. Everything is Krishna there.
राधा जी के अभिन्न प्राण विशाखा उनकी सेवा में दत्तचित्त होकर रहती है। अत्यंत वाक्पटु है तथा अपने वाक्य से कृष्ण की भी पराजित कर देते हैं। वाक्पटु है प्रकृति।
Expert in talkative. So may Vishaka, whose voice is sweeter than the cuckoo, teach me the captivating art of singing, which with that singing I will please the youthful couple Shri Radha Krishna during the Ras dance, and again they will reward me with jewels, lockets, necklace and other gifts. So Vishaka, who is both dear to and non-different from Shri Radha, is jealous in her service. She is extremely clever in the art of speaking, and she even defeats Shri Krishna in that arts. She also pleased Krishna by her smiling and laughing. Shri Das Goswami, fixed in his Swarup as Rati Manjari, is eager to learn a speech that is full of joking, full of clever ras, and cooling like camphor. Therefore, to learn to speak in this supremely relishable, intoxicating way that is related to Madhurya Ras, he accepts Vishaka as Guru. So Vishaka is also Guru there. So I'm just telling one Leela, then I will end up here. Once what happened? So Radhaji was presenting her dancing arts. Krishna showed his dancing arts, and then when the Radhaji chance came, so she was presenting her dance. So where all the Sakhis are saying, Lalita, Vishaka, all the Sakhis, Ashta Sakhis was sitting also there. So thousands and crores Sakhis was there. So what happened? What Radhaji was doing, she was dancing. So there is a kinds of ornaments. कोई ornaments है? So there is a one kinds of ornaments which is tying on vest. So it was opened when she was while she was performing dance. So Radhaji was not aware about this. When that ornaments opened, so Lalita Vishaka all were laughing because Lalita Vishaka are the same level of Shrimati Radhika Rani. So Radhaji thought that why they all were laughing. Then what Lalita ji did, Lalita ji indicated to Rati Manjari, just go. So whatever the ornaments open of Radhaji and fall down on the ground, so make that in a proper way of vest. Please tie in her vest. So Rati Manjari, what happened at that time? She was performing the leelas like that. She is not tying something, she is dancing. So when she was dancing in this way, she has tied that ornaments in the vest of Shrimati Radhika Rani. So dance was ended up. Now what happened? So dance ended up. Now, so after that, Radhaji and other Sakhis went to their places. So Radhaji was Rati Manjari par. So Radhaji became so much rude to Rati Manjari because so whatever the Shangar you did of mine, so you didn't properly tied that vest ornaments on my vest. So that's why everybody was laughing on me. So at that time, Radhaji, she was so much anger and she is scolding to Rati Manjari, you go out from Rati Manjari. So you go out from my kunj. You cannot stay here. There is no need to come here because you are not. What you have done so long? Whatever you done so long? Why didn't you tie this properly? Because if there is a mistake in service, so you will be scolded. So Radhaji got pranay kop. She was so much angry and she was scolding Rati Manjari so much. And Rati Manjari, she came out from the kunj and she was crying so much. Because Radhaji told her to go out from her kunj. So from the kunj, out of the kunj, she was crying so much. At that time, what happened? Lalita Devi came. And so Lalita Devi saw that Rati Manjari is crying. So seeing Rati Manjari crying, Lalita Devi, what she did? Then she entered with Rati Manjari into the kunj of Radhaji. And then Lalita Devi, so she said so many kinds of words to Radharani. Because what kind of Lalita Devi is Prakara. So whatever Lalita Devi has to say, so Radhaji has to accept. Whatever the Lalita Devi will say, so Radha has to accept that because Lalita Devi is elder. Because Radhaji is so much controlled by the love of Lalita Devi, so whatever Lalita Devi is saying, so Radha has to accept it. So Lalita Devi is topmost in amongst all the Sakhis. Then Radhaji and Rati Manjari met, and then again she started serving Shrimati Radhika Rani. So there are many kinds of leelas. So all our Goswami was told these kinds of katha leelas. So we will describe according to timely. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai, because there is so much loudly kirtan is going on downstairs. So that's why we cannot tolerate this so much. I am unable to get the voice of Gurudev also. So now Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.
की लीला नहीं, इसमें भाव है, इस जगत में वो दिखाई पड़ता है। आप कृष्ण की जो गड़बड़ कर देते तो गड़बड़ होता है, ये निमित्त लीला नहीं, ये समस्त लीला, इसे भूम लीला कर रहे, इसके भूम लीला कर रहे। और उस जगत में जो है उस समय तो लोग है सब है, किंतु वहाँ पर असुर नहीं, जहाँ जहाँ पर असुर मारण आदि लीला होता है, कुछ लीलाएं जो वर्णन किया गया उसके निमित्त लीला जो ये प्रकट लीला में है और अप्रकट लीला में नहीं है।
So here Gurudev is describing about some Nitya Leela and Naimittik Leela. So there are some Leelas which is temporary, like Asur Mardan Leela and Krishna's birth Leela. These all kinds of Leelas are Naimittik Leela. This is not permanent Leela, Nitya Leela. So Krishna is not taking birth there. So only Krishna was being given birth only one time, but Krishna is not getting birth again and again. So that is why that is Naimittik Leela. And Putana Vad Leela and many kinds of Leelas are there which are temporary. It means which is Naimittik Leela. Okay. So that's why Jeev Goswami Pad has described these all things very nicely. So he has clearly mentioned some things, all kinds of Leelas, that what are the Naimittik Leela, what are the Nitya Leela. So there are two kinds of Leela, Prakat and Aprakat Leela. So in the Aprakat Leelas, some Leelas are there, or especially demons killing Leela or Krishna's birth Leela. These all are Naimittik Leelas. Okay, so you have to understand this. So in this words, Kansabad and many kinds of Leelas are, these all are Naimittik Leela. All kinds of Leelas are also there, but there is no form. वो सब खुद ही धारण करते. This is all the bhav matra, like just like a feelings there. So what kinds of that feelings you are not able to understand. So Jeev Goswami Pad saying in this way. So Yog Maya arranging all kinds of Leela accordingly. Okay, according to time and situations. Okay. So these kinds of Leelas are also there. So today Kans died. Okay, Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Now Krishna has taken birth, so that's why all are celebrating Krishna's birth. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Chalo, see you whenever the program will be held here. I will do live or I will inform in the group, in Jai Gurudev or Bhakti Vedanta One Family group. Okay, Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.